Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make royalty-free soundtracks using AI on Canva. So I'm going to select this AI music and I'll select use in new design, and I'm just going to select video for this one. And then it's going to show up on the left side here. You can now choose your styles and moods. I'm going to select cinematic, dreamy, and peaceful. I'm just going to make it a little bit more relaxed here and a little bit faster, maybe making it a little bit less bright, just a little bit. And I'm going to select the duration of 30 seconds. I'm just gonna, 3 seconds, sorry. And I'm just going to, never mind, it's at 30. I don't know what's going on with me. It's going to make the video a little bit longer, and this is what the music should sound like. Very beautiful. I don't know if I can play the whole thing, but you can use it. You can like generate AI music now with Canva, which I think is pretty cool. So that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.